Good morning, happy Sunday, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a morning routine and I'm just gonna basically take you around my morning. So like you already just saw, I just made a pot of coffee for Ethan and I. Hey Google, stop the timer. And then I also made lemon water, so I always start off my mornings with warm lemon water. I feel like it just makes me feel good and helps with like digestion and stuff. So when I'm drinking my lemon water is usually also the time that I check my phone and kind of get updated on the day and see what's up. So what I have up for the day, and this morning, 8:30, I have a hot yoga class, and then I'm gonna like come home, shower, have some breakfast. So I'm just gonna have this lemon water, brush my teeth, get changed into workout gear, and then head to yoga. Okay, so I'm just running to yoga, and I feel like I'm late, so catch you later. Hello. So I just came back from yoga. As you saw, we did like a Pilates fusion with yoga sort of thing, and the room is hot, so it's a pretty good workout. I'm obviously super sweaty, so I'm gonna go take a shower and like get ready for my day. So I just came out of the shower and I'm going to use this Summer Fridays jet lag mask because in the winter my skin is literally so dry, and this just puts so much moisture back into it. But my skin always looks so healthy and plump after I use this, so definitely recommend if you have dry skin. So that's applied. I just kind of look like a ghostly version of myself, but I'm gonna let that soak in. And then while it's soaking, I'm gonna put on some cream because like I said, I'm super dry. This cream is Alafia body lotion with shea butter and lemongrass. It's for deep moisture. It's very like watery feeling, so I feel like it's water-based. But it's all natural and like organic ingredients and stuff. Ethan and I have really been trying recently to, I guess, like switch over all of our products. So like beauty products, hair products, cleaning products, etc. to be like eco-friendly and natural and good for you, because your skin is the biggest organ, so everything that you put on your skin, your body obviously absorbs. Alrighty, so I have my robe on, I'm all lotioned up, and I think I'm gonna start making brekkie. Are you ready?
What is on your face?
A face mask. Oh. Duh. I'm just gonna chill in this while my lotion all over my body like sets in, I guess, because I don't want to like get dressed and then get my clothes all sticky. Ethan promised to make me a healthy smoothie that he tested out yesterday, 2 days ago, and so I'm just patiently waiting for my smoothie. I forgot to push this down this morning, so it was steeping for like a solid 10 minutes before I actually pushed it down, so it's quite strong today. Ethan was kind of annoyed at me.
I'm not annoyed, it's just not the best.
So I'm just gonna lightly wash off or like rinse off this face mask. Get my Caudalie Sorbet moisturizer that I use like day and night, and just put that on top. I'm also gonna get some tea tree oil to put on my like random pimples. And now I can go get dressed without smearing stuff all over my sweater. So like I said, I'm just gonna be like working from home today, so I don't really need to get dressed or ready or do my makeup or anything, so I'm going to just let my hair air dry. I'm gonna have my smoothie, start editing this video, and start filming another one, and that's pretty much my morning routine. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you next Sunday.